Hello. Hello, my friend. Welcome. Welcome to English with Grandpa Joe. My name is Joe. I am your Grandpa Joe. I am happy. I am very happy that you are here with me today. Come. Please come and sit down. Sit down with me. Are you comfortable? Good. Very good. Do you have a cup of tea? A cup of tea? Or maybe some coffee? Very nice. Hold your cup. Feel it in your hands. It is warm. It is soft and warm. Now, take a slow breath with me. A slow, deep breath. In and out. Again, in and out. Good. Today, I will tell you about my morning, my simple morning, my calm morning. Listen slowly. Do not worry. I speak slowly, very, very slowly. You do not need to write. You do not need a book. You only need your ears and a calm heart. Are you ready, my friend? Good. Let us begin. Every day I wake up early in the morning. The sky is soft. The sky is gray and pink. The house is quiet, very quiet. The birds are singing. I can hear them. Listen, little birds singing outside. I open my eyes slowly and I smile. A new day, a new good day. I do not jump out of bed. No, no. I am an old man now. I move slowly. I sit up slowly. I put my feet on the floor. The floor is cool. I say, good morning. I say it to the day. Good morning, world. Good morning, new day. It is a small thing, but it makes me happy. A soft start is a good start. First, I open the window. I walk to the window slowly, and I open it. I open the window wide, and I look outside. What do I see? I see the trees, green trees, tall trees. I see the sky. I see one small cloud. I take a deep breath, in and out. The air is cool. The air is fresh. It is clean and fresh, fresh morning air. It wakes me up. I stand there for 1 minute, just one quiet minute. I do not use my phone. No phone in the morning, not yet. Only me and the window and the fresh air. This is my first small moment of peace. Then I make my tea. Oh, I love tea. I love a good cup of tea. I go to the kitchen. I fill the kettle with water. I turn it on and I wait. The water gets hot. I can hear it. Soon the kettle sings. Now I make my tea. I hold the cup. The cup is warm, so warm in my hands. I drink slowly, very slowly. It is good. It is so good. A hot cup of tea in the morning is a small, happy thing. I do not hurry. I sit. I drink. I look out of the window. The tea is warm. My hands are warm. My heart is warm. Do you like tea, my friend? Or do you like coffee? Both are nice. Tea or coffee, it doesn't matter. A warm drink and a quiet morning. This is a small gift. Now, I sit in my chair, my old chair, my soft old chair. I sit down slowly with my tea, and I think. I think about the day. What will I do today? Who will I see today? I do not think about problems. No, not now. In the morning, I think good thoughts. I say to myself, today I will be kind. Today I will smile. Today I will do my best. These are simple words, but they are strong words. They help me. A calm mind in the morning makes a good day. So I sit and I drink and I think good thoughts. After my tea, I go for a walk. A short walk, a slow walk. I put on my shoes, I put on my coat, and I go outside. Good morning, birds. Good morning, sky. I walk down my street. I walk to the little park. I love the park. In the park, I see the flowers. Red flowers, yellow flowers, white flowers. So many colors. I see a little dog. The dog is happy. The dog runs and plays. I smile at the dog. I walk and I breathe and I smile. The walk is not long, 10 minutes, maybe 15, but it is enough. My body feels good. My heart feels light. Then I come home. I open my door. I am a little tired, but I feel good, a good kind of tired. I take off my shoes. I sit down again in my soft chair, and now I read my book. I love to read. I open my book and I read one page, just one page, slowly. I read the words one by one. I do not rush. Reading is nice. Reading is quiet. When I read, I feel calm. I feel happy. The house is quiet. The morning is soft. And I am here with my book and my tea. Sometimes I read a story. Sometimes I read a poem. And sometimes I just close my eyes and rest for a moment. There is no rush. There is no noise, only peace. I like quiet mornings. I like them very, very much. My friend, this is my morning. This is my simple day. Let us remember it together. First, I wake up early. Then I open the window. Then I make my tea. Then I sit and think good thoughts. Then I go for a walk. And then I come home and read. That is all. It is simple. It is very simple. You see, you do not need much. You do not need money. You do not need big things. You need a little time. You need fresh air, a warm drink, and a calm heart. A simple morning can be a beautiful morning. Now, let us learn together. Let us say some words. Repeat after me, slowly. Ready? Morning, morning. Now you, morning. Very good. Tea, tea. Again, tea. Wonderful. Walk, walk. Book, book. Quiet, quiet. Calm. Very, very good, my friend. You are doing so well. Now a small question for you. How is your morning? Do you wake up early or late? Do you drink tea or coffee? Do you like a quiet morning? Think about it and write to me in the comments. Write in English. Do not be shy. A small mistake is okay. I read every comment. I do, and I am always happy to hear from you. Well, my friend, our time is almost over. Thank you. Thank you for sitting with me today. You listened, you learned, and I am so proud of you. Learning English is like a morning walk. You go slowly, step by step, a little every day, and soon you are far, far ahead. So please, come back tomorrow. We will drink tea again and learn a little more. If you are new here, welcome to our family. Please subscribe and turn on the bell. It helps your Grandpa Joe very much. Thank you. Now, finish your tea. Take a deep breath and have a calm day, a kind day, a beautiful day. This is Grandpa Joe. Goodbye. Goodbye for now. I will see you soon.